But let me assure you, Zamboanga is safe. Again, let me assure you, Zamboanga is safe. And we will keep it safe. We are here to ensure that everything is done fairly.
Hindi refleksyon ang kabuoang sitwasyon sa Zamboanga City ang nangyaring pamamaril sa isang malaking universidad noong Martes ng umaga. Ayon kay Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla, isolated na maituturing ang pangyayari at hindi pangkaraniwang nagaganap sa lungsod. Nilinaw rin niya na hindi cultural clash at walang kinalaman sa usapin ng magkakaibang pananampalataya ang punot dulo ng insidente.
We're here to assure that it's not a cultural clash of Muslims and Filipinos. Again, the families knew each other well. So it's not a clash between faiths, but it is a clash between technology and accountability.
Sinabi rin ng kalihim na mag-isang kumilos ang shooter at walang tumulong dito.
The police report will come out in due time, but the facts remain that as far as we can determine, Mr. Jalani acted alone. Alone in the sense that he planned, executed, and willfully did everything on his own. There was no conspiracy behind him. There was no active group that planned it with him. There was no family influence that made him do the unthinkable.
Una nang sinabi kahapon ni Secretary Remulla na malaki ang posibilidad na na-radicalize ang child in conflict with the law ng online game na Roblox. Kaya naman ang Philippine National Police umaasa sa mga digital evidence para matukoy ang tunay na dahilan ng pamamaril ng estudyante. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.